When your lungs start packing up and you start thinking of things, what happens? Subhanallah, does not give you enough time to even say goodbye to your own family. So you might not have the time to delete or to make the tawbah. Just do it now. Ya Allah, forgive us. Just be responsible. Enjoy social media in a responsible way. That's it. In a way that you know, if I were, and when I do go back to Allah, we are all going anyway. And Allah shows me and says, how many videos you made? You say, well, a few million in the case of some, the way they go on. Okay, just watch them and decide where you're supposed to be going. Will you be able to watch them? How are you dressed? What are you saying? What are you doing? And so on. I don't want to say what are you shaking. That's it. What type of words are you using? You know, the F word is being used. The only F word we should be using is food. MashaAllah. May Allah grant us ease.